So what up guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Vaporesso ZERO. This is a device that came out a little while ago. It's been out for a good minute, but I believe it is one of the better ones that have been out, the salt nic wise. This is actually a pretty awesome device, and I picked up the rainbow one and I had to get it all fancy looking. And this is your device, sorry about my nails. And you charge it at the bottom, you got your button right here, your pod. Pull that out, it's gonna come with a sticker on it, just pop that off, and then right here is where you're gonna fill it up. Alright, so pretty much how it works, you just click this 5 times, that'll cut it off and on, and then you can push it, that'll show you where it's hitting at. Blue is the harder hitting one, red is the lower, and green is the highest hitting. So then if you want to change that, you click that 3 times, 2, 3, now it'll be hitting low, and you can check it like that. Right, and so then to fill it up, like I said earlier. Alright guys, so one thing I gotta say about this device is the reason I believe it is one of the better devices out today is because the thought put into it where you can adjust it, you can turn it off and on, like the filling hole. But it's not only that, it's also because the pods, they actually last a good little while, more than most devices, that's for sure. And also, the device itself is just super reliable. Like I've probably sold about 60, maybe more at the shop I work at, and probably only 1 or 2 has came back. I cannot say that about any other device we've had, like the Smog, Nord, Novo, got the Ely's. I mean, all of them. This is probably one of the better ones, reliability-wise. I guess it all just depends on if you like the way it hits. It does have more of a restricted airflow, so it don't have like really airy airflow. But I mean, if that's something you don't really care about, then I would say this is one of the better devices to choose from. Alright, so today we will be vaping on Pachamama Strawberry Watermelon. Now, this juice is pretty good. I'm a big fan of the Pachamama brand. I really like the Fuji Apple. I actually like it a little more than this juice, but figured if I'm going to review, I might as well use something different every time. I just can't use the same thing. So you just push down on that metal piece and just slightly push the bottle to fill it up. And the one thing I like about this design is it practically makes it leak proof, and also some pod devices, when you try to fill it up, if there's only one air hole, it'll want to come back out at you, so you have to use a needle bottle. This one, no needle bottle is needed. You can use any bottle and you ain't got to worry about that. So got it filled up pretty good. Gonna sit for a few minutes and then we're gonna have to vape on it, see how it hits. Alright guys, coil's all wicked up, we're good to go, and I've got it running on the green light, so that's the hardest hitting one, and we'll see how it hits. It actually does have really good flavor. The airflow is, like I said earlier, it's not a lot of airflow, but it kind of helps it with the flavor. It makes it more concentrated, because if you have too much airflow and not enough power, it's going to really taste horrible. It's not going to have any flavor. The airflow is still not bad though. It's like a loose MTL, I would say. Not really an MTL, unless you want it to be. You can call it whatever you want. 3. All right, now let's try it. 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Now we're gonna try it on low, because I feel like that's really going to be the only drastic difference. Because medium to high is not a lot, so. Yeah, that doesn't hit hard at all. It barely hits at all, Lord of Jesus. It does have really good flavor though, I like it a lot. And like I said earlier, the pods, they last a good little while, so this is one of the contenders for, I think, the best vapes, best salt nic vape that has been out for a while, which is crazy. I mean, usually the older devices, they get newer and better, but some things like the Renova ZERO just stays good. So there you have it. I'd recommend it. They're not even that expensive. I think the local vape shop's like $28. I'm sure online is cheaper. I mean, we all know. But, alright, so I'd recommend it. So guys, have a nice day.